Presenting LATAPOXY 310 high-strength epoxy adhesive, which is formulated for the spot bonding method of tile and stone installations on vertical surfaces.
Ensure all necessary tools and materials are available at the site. Surface preparation. Before using, store materials at room temperature for best working consistency. Low temperature will result in harder mixing. High temperature will shorten pot life of the material. All surfaces must be sound, clean, free of oil, dust, wax, curing agents, latents, or any other contamination. Concrete surfaces may be dry or damp during application. Concrete must be more than M25 grade. Other surfaces like glass, metal, etc. must be dry. Mechanical scarifying or sanding by disc or water blasting is highly recommended to remove contamination or when application on old concrete to remove carbonized layer. Application on steel and especially on stainless steel may require diluted acid washing or sanding, grinding of the metal surface. Mixing. The material is non-toxic but can develop a rash to sensitive skin. Good workmanship practice requires the use of gloves when working with epoxies. Combine equal volumes of part A and part B and mix thoroughly for 2 to 3 minutes until uniform color. Properly mixed material will not stain white or any bright colored marble. Mixing of small quantities can be done by spatula, margin trowel or putty knife. Larger quantities can be mixed with an electrical mixer at low speed. Minimum application temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. Working in temperatures over 35 degrees Celsius shortens drastically the working time of the epoxy. Application. Dusted surfaces should be cleaned with a damp sponge or cloth. Apply LATAPOXY 310 standard to back of stone in the form of dabs. Ensure minimum of 10% of area is covered with LATAPOXY 310. Place the stone on the surface and apply slight pressure to level and make contact between the two surfaces and level to desired plane. The uncured material is water cleanable and can be easily cleaned from tools, surfaces or hand with water and nylon pad. Cured material can be removed only by mechanical means. Installing with Spot Bonding LATAPOXY 310 is now complete. For best results, follow these instructions. Calculate approximate coverage of stone surface to be not less than 10% of stone area. For example, if your stone is 60 by 60 cm, the total bonding surface required is 10% of 3600 cm square, which is equal to 360 cm square. You can either bond by 4 dabs approximate sizes of 10 by 10 cm, 5 dabs approximate sizes of 8.5 into 8.5 cm. Uneven and not leveled walls will create a gap between the back of the tile and the wall surface. One of the biggest advantages of the spot bonding is the technique to gap those distances with almost no extra material. This is achieved by bonding tile or any hard spacer size of the required dab to the back of the tile prior to bonding it to the wall. Ceilings and soffits can be easily installed by bonding with the standard version. Necessary supports should be provided for at least 1 day.